When that heavy vault door swings completely shut on your digital assets because you've lost your 24-word passphrase, the panic is immediate. Every single Pi coin you've spent months actively mining is suddenly inaccessible. But you have options. Depending on your current setup, we can take one of two paths to fix this. We can either extract your original key using your phone's local security features, or safely forge a completely new wallet from scratch without wiping out your unmigrated progress. Before we take either path, you need to prepare something distinctly analog. Grab a physical pen and a piece of paper right now. You are going to need it to secure your master key entirely offline. Getting back into your account is step one. Properly securing the financial value you've worked so hard to build is the ultimate goal. Let's start the recovery process. Our first path relies entirely on your device's local security. To use this method, you must have previously enabled biometric login for your Pi app before you lost your passphrase. Looking at this mobile login screen, you'll see the standard prompt for Face ID or Touch ID. Tap that icon and use your face or fingerprint to bypass the text passphrase requirement and enter the wallet dashboard. Once you are inside the wallet interface, find the settings menu and open it immediately. This flowchart maps exactly where we're going. From biometric login, you hit the settings gear, then select Show Passphrase. Once those words appear, execute the copy command. Pick up your pen and write the exact sequence, double-checking every spelling. By using your phone's local biometrics to retrieve the key, you bypass the memory lapse completely. Your original wallet remains intact and your entire transaction history is perfectly preserved. If you never turned on biometrics and cannot find your written passphrase, that original wallet is locked forever. We must generate a fresh wallet. Read this interface very carefully. Do not recreate your wallet if you have already migrated Pi to the mainnet. Executing the recreate command on a migrated wallet permanently shatters it, and every single coin is irreversibly destroyed. Proceed with these next steps only if you are 100% positive your mined Pi has not yet been pushed to the mainnet. On the Pi wallet login screen, look past the main entry fields. At the very bottom, isolated in this highlight box, find the small text link that says, "You can recreate your wallet." Tap that link. The moment you confirm, the system takes action in the background. It deletes the inaccessible dead wallet and generates a completely fresh 24-word security sequence for you. Generating a new wallet gives you a clean slate to secure your unmigrated Pi. It just requires you to know exactly where your assets currently sit on the network to avoid accidentally deleting them. Now that you hold the keys to a newly forged wallet, we have to link it back to the main Pi application's ecosystem. This diagram shows the risk of skipping the checklist. Without an update, the system blindly sends Pi down the top path into a dead void. Open the Mainnet checklist, find Confirm Your Pi Wallet, and paste your new passphrase to lock in the bottom bridge. Immediately after you confirm the connection, go into your new wallet settings and activate your device's fingerprint or Face ID security to completely prevent a repeat of the original crisis. Look at the top navigation bar shown here. Tap the drop-down menu and switch your active environment from testnet directly over to mainnet. Scroll down to the Available Balance section. Tap the option labeled Migrate, then finalize the transfer by selecting the Move command. By linking the correct addresses in the checklist and enforcing local security, you turn an empty, vulnerable interface into a secure, active repository for your digital wealth. Your funds are now fully accessible. They've been safely moved and secured inside a functioning wallet interface that you completely control. Take that physical piece of paper containing your new passphrase. Store it in a hidden, offline location immediately. Do not leave it out and do not take a screenshot. If this protocol helped you restore access to your assets, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so we can keep providing clear, actionable guides for your crypto setup. Holding cryptocurrency requires meticulous security and strict personal responsibility. With your new wallet locked down and properly connected to the network, you are fully empowered to continue your digital mining journey with absolute confidence.